Today, we're diving into Napoleon Hill's classic book, Think and Grow Rich. Published in 1937, this book is packed with powerful ideas to help you achieve your dreams. Hill's principles aren't just advice, they're a step-by-step guide to reaching your goals. Here are the top lessons from this book with clear examples that will inspire and guide you towards success. Hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on our latest finance videos. Lesson number 1, the power of desire. The first big lesson is about the power of desire. Hill says that having a strong desire is the key to achieving anything. It's not just about wishing for success, it's about having a deep, almost obsessive wish to reach your goals. Edwin C. Barnes is a great example. He wanted to become a business partner with Thomas Edison with every fiber of his being, even though he had no money or connections. Barnes' intense desire made him work hard for Edison, eventually leading to his partnership and a big change in his life. Barnes' journey from a lowly worker to a business partner illustrates that an insatiable desire can overcome any obstacle. His determination pushed him through difficulties until he achieved his dream. Another example is James B. Duke, who wanted to create a great university to honor his family. His strong desire and investment helped build Duke University, which stands as a testament to the power of desire to make a difference. Lesson number 2. Faith, your superpower. Faith is more than just believing. It's the superpower that turns dreams into reality. Napoleon Hill highlights that faith is the unwavering conviction that your goals are achievable. Henry Ford is a prime example. Ford had a vision for making cars on an assembly line, but many people doubted him. His strong faith in his idea made him keep going, and it led to the creation of the Model T, which changed the car industry forever. Ford's faith wasn't just in his idea, but in himself and his ability to execute it. His belief was so strong that it fueled the complete overhaul of manufacturing processes, revolutionizing the industry and making cars affordable for the middle class. Another example is F.W. Woolworth, who faced many rejections before his vision of a discount store became real. His steadfast belief in his concept led to the establishment of a retail empire that revolutionized shopping for the everyday person. Lesson 3. Autosuggestion, the mind's secret weapon. Autosuggestion is the practice of telling yourself positive things to influence your subconscious mind. Hill used this technique to stay focused on his goals by repeating affirmations about what he wanted. He trained his mind to work towards his dreams. Hill's routine of repeating his goals helped him stay motivated and focused. This practice shows how you can shape your mindset and guide your actions toward your goals. A modern example is John D. Rockefeller, who used positive thinking to build his immense wealth. Rockefeller regularly visualized his success and believed in his goals, which helped him maintain a laser focus and become one of the richest people ever. Lesson 4. Specialized knowledge, your edge against the competition. Specialized knowledge is all about being an expert in a specific area. Hill says that having detailed knowledge in one field can give you a big advantage. Andrew Carnegie, for example, didn't just rely on his knowledge. He hired experts in steel production and business. This approach allowed him to outpace competitors and dominate the industry. Carnegie's success came from using the specialized knowledge of others. He built a steel empire by combining his vision with the expertise of skilled people. Thomas Edison also used specialized knowledge. He didn't work alone. He gathered a team of experts to help with his inventions. Their combined specialized knowledge was key to his many innovations. Lesson 5. Imagination, where ideas come to life. Imagination is where your dreams start to take shape. Hill explains that creativity and dreaming up new possibilities are key to success. Thomas Edison's creation of the light bulb is a great example. Edison's imaginative thinking and persistence led him to experiment with thousands of materials before finding the perfect material to make the light bulb shine bright and not go out. Edison's creativity didn't stop with the light bulb. His imaginative thinking led to other inventions like the phonograph and improvements in movies, showing how imagination can lead to great success. Walt Disney is another example. Disney's vision for Disneyland was a revolutionary idea that transformed the amusement park industry. His creative thinking and imagination turned it into a global entertainment phenomenon. Lesson 6. Organized planning, making your dream a reality. Organized planning means having a clear and detailed plan to reach your goals. Hill highlights the importance of planning carefully. Henry Ford's assembly line is a perfect example. Ford's careful planning helped him revolutionize car production, making it cheaper and faster. His organized approach was key to his success. Elon Musk is another example. Musk planned carefully for Tesla and SpaceX, which led to groundbreaking achievements in electric vehicles and space exploration. Lesson 7. Decisiveness. Making quick and confident choices. Decisiveness means making decisions quickly and with confidence. Hill points out successful people make fast, confident choices. Andrew Carnegie's ability to make quick decisions in business is a great example. His decisiveness helped him take advantage of opportunities and solve problems effectively. Carnegie's attitude helped him to build a large and successful business. His ability to make quick, confident decisions was crucial to his success. Steve Jobs also showed decisiveness. Jobs made bold decisions like developing the iPhone, which helped Apple become a leader in technology. Once they determined that they had a good business plan, they quickly and confidently followed through. Lesson 8. Persistence. Never giving up. Persistence is the relentless drive to push through challenges and setbacks. Hill emphasizes that perseverance is a key ingredient for success. The Wright brothers' story is a classic example. They faced many failures and criticism, but kept trying until they succeeded in making the first powered flight. The Wright brothers' refusal to give up even in the face of repeated failures ultimately led to a groundbreaking achievement that changed the world. J.K. Rowling is another example. Rowling faced numerous rejections from publishers before finally finding success with the Harry Potter series. Her determination to keep going despite setbacks led to a worldwide phenomenon. Lesson 9. The Mastermind. Working together for success. The mastermind principle means surrounding yourself with supportive, like-minded people. Hill's collaboration with Andrew Carnegie shows how working with a group of smart, supportive people can help you achieve more. By teaming up with experts, you can reach your goals faster and more effectively. Oprah Winfrey's advisory board is another example of the mastermind principle. By surrounding yourself with a diverse and talented group of advisors and collaborators, Oprah has achieved remarkable success in media, business, and philanthropy. Lesson 10. Lustful transmutation. Using energy for success. Lust transmutation involves redirecting your lustful energies into productive and creative endeavors. Hill suggests that redirecting this energy can boost your creativity and drive. Many successful people channel their passion into their work, leading to great achievements. Hill mentions that people like Edison and Carnegie used their intense energy and enthusiasm for their work. Their ability to focus this energy into their goals was key to their success. Richard Branson also exemplifies this principle. Branson's high energy and passion for his ventures have led him to succeed in various businesses and adventures. Lesson 11. The Subconscious Mind. Programming for Positivity. The subconscious mind is a powerful part of your brain that influences your actions. Hill says that feeding positive thoughts into your subconscious can help you achieve your goals. By maintaining a positive mindset, you align your subconscious with your dreams. Hill's practice of positive thinking and affirmations helped him stay focused and motivated. His approach shows how you can shape your mindset to support your goals. Jim Carrey's story is a modern example. Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million, dated 5 years in advance. At a time when he had little money from his acting career, he kept this check in his wallet. He visualized his success, and by the time the check came due, he had a movie role that paid $10 million. Lesson 12. The Brain, your ultimate success tool. Hill describes the brain as an incredibly powerful tool for generating and receiving thoughts. Understanding and harnessing its capabilities can lead to extraordinary success. Successful people like Edison and Carnegie use their brains to come up with new ideas to solve problems. Albert Einstein is another example. His brilliant ideas and theories changed how we understand physics. Einstein's ability to harness the power of his brain led to revolutionary discoveries that continue to impact science today. Lesson 13. The Sixth Sense. Trusting your intuition. The sixth sense, or intuition, is about trusting your inner feelings to guide your decisions. Hill encourages listening to your intuition. Many successful people rely on their gut feelings to make better choices. Hill's intuitive insights helped him make decisions that aligned with his goals. Trusting his gut was important to his success. Steve Jobs also used intuition to guide his decisions. Jobs often followed his instincts when developing new products and strategies, which led to major innovations at Apple. And there you have it. Think and grow rich. is more than just a book. It's a guide to turning your dreams into reality. Remember, success is within your reach. Using these insights, you can turn your dreams into reality. If you liked this video, you're going to love the next one. Subscribe to our channel to receive more pearls of wisdom about finance.